Hi friends, you own a company or a business, you have working force, working staff with you, very efficient, they are working very fine and your company is up and running and you are focusing on your business. But how efficiently you are managing your workforce? Workforce is human resources and human resources shall be always handled adequately. You might be having some systems, some solutions with you to manage the attendance, payroll, and all such things related to HR activity. But if you don't have an automated system, you are not going to handle all these things properly. And if you own a small firm or business, you cannot spend much money on such softwares or applications. In this video I am going to show you a very easy to use and very reasonable price solution for HR human resources management, and this is just for $29. It is really an amazing price. And I am going to talk about LiteHRM. This is an advanced HRM solution for leave, attendance and payroll. Hi, I am a digician and now we are going to explore LiteHRM human resources solution that is going to be self-hosted. What does it mean? So if you are handling your data at your own hosting and at your servers, it is simply called self-hosted. Your data is not shared with any other web application or with other company or firm. So it is very important to keep your data reserved, especially in case of HR solution. And you might be thinking how you will manage all such things. So it is very simple. Just contact with us by following the link given in the description or put a comment in the comment section of this video. We will be in touch and we will certainly install all such things for you on a very nominal cost. So let us explore the solution first of all. So it is not for sale, it is for exploring the solution that is available with LiteHRM human resource management solution. So we are having this solution for demonstration in this video. And LiteHRM is a self-hosted HR solution designed for a small and medium-sized companies to efficiently manage employees information. LiteHRM takes care of your company's most important asset, employees. Okay, so employees are always the most important asset for your company, and it is a better way to manage your employee resource with a software, and that should be efficient software. So what features are available in the LiteHRM we are going to discuss in this video, and after that you can surely decide about this application and we can get in touch for further steps. I am going to show you three screens, three modules. One is for admin, another is for manager, and third one is for staff. So the admin is going to be owner of this application and this is admin interface. And I am going to show you very quickly but very important information. Don't skip this video because you are a decision making person at your organization and you have to find the exact solution for your company. Okay, let us start. This is admin dashboard and we are here to explore all the options available here. First of all, we need to explore the config. We are configuring the system, that is this application for HR management. You can keep your name, company name, address and all such basic details here on this screen under general config. Asset config, you can change the logo and fav icon and all such things so that it may be your brand, and you can change it. It is totally yours. If you are hiring this solution, it is not hiring, it is going to be yours in fact, so with code and all such things. So system config. So locale is English time zone, you have to decide, and time format, page length, and allowed currency. So you can select INR or whatever currency is applicable for you. This is being the Indian rupee, make sure this is available here, and we can show the currency in any two options. Whatever currency options you want to choose, you can select here. And mini sidebar and dark theme, default currency you can change here again, and maintenance mode and all such basic configuration. Authentication is for securing your system. You can set reset password options, registration, so terms and on registration, email verification, or OAuth login is available here. And you can also throttle the max attempt of login and login, and throttle lock timeout. Mail config. So for mail driver is log and from name and from address, and you can say use your own SMTP. So you can use your own mailing system like host, port, you can all put here, and the system will send from your system will use your own company email ID. However, you can take the services like send email or mailgun or whatever. So it is all available. Feature. So to do feature, backup and login activity log, you can enable, disable all such things, and you can use. So backup is always on and activity log should be on. Similarly, you can set the social network that is visible on the portal. So on the staff screen it can be visible. And next is locale. So it is local name and local code, so it is just for different languages, and so you can use Hindi or English, whatever applicable for you. Now coming back to the dashboard, we have set the basic thing, and this is the dashboard which is summarily showing the basic things like total employee you are having at your organization, total leave request, total payroll generated, and some basic charts and graphs, so that recent leave request and recent payroll. So it is just a summary and overview of the system. Now next is setup. This is an admin screen, so this multiple things are one time setup, and but yes, admin have to perform all these activities. And okay, so and I must tell you one thing, you are going to take this system because it is very easy to use, and every organization, at least for a small organization or a small firms, you need to have such system, because don't try to manage all such things manually or with a system that is not so efficient to handle all such things. So it is very reasonable priced, and it is about one time cost. You just need to bear the hosting and domain, even if you are not having a website, and you can use this system as a subdomain of your website. So it can be on the same server on which the website is running. And if you need, even if you are having a startup company and you don't have even website and hosting, just let us know, we will certainly help you, and we wish to make your system online and automated. So we are here to support you, don't worry at all. Okay, so let us proceed towards next screen. This is company setup screen. As I said, as an admin you have to do such activities for a single time, like you have to set the company information, like this is company, and you have to set the departments like account department, whatever department you are having, so you can set here and you can edit or delete. So existing some departments has been set by default in the admin, but you have to set all this department, and it is very simple. You can add new department by using this screen. So you can name, alias and description and keep adding, so or reset, so all options are here. Again, next screen is designation. So what designations you are offering in your department, like administrator, head branch, so you can set the designation here. So in HR system, designation is also very important, so you have to set all the designation throughout your company. And if you have branches, multiple branches of your company, you can set branches here. And just in case if you are not having, you are having a single branch, you can skip this step. Now employee is an integral part of your organization, of course, and we are managing the employee through this system. So this is the employee screen, and also you already added employee here. So employee code, you can put code, department you have already created, date of joining, designation you have already said, branch you have already said, date of birth, gender, ID card and electoral ID, whatever information you want to have. Or you can edit the photo, and you can have some contact details. And I'm sorry for the disturbance in the sound, this is outside sound. And employment status, like you have to give all this information. This is basic information, this is contact information, you can update all such things. This is all about employee and the employment status. So and again, you can define the user login, so you can edit user login, so because you are the administrator and you can edit the user credentials of your employee. And you can update the qualification, so all information about that particular employee you can have. So manage all account records, keep all account related information of you. So like if you want to add account details, I mean bank details, you can add here. It is very simple screen, and you can upload file as well. And document, just in case if you are collecting documents from employees at the time of recruitment, you can upload the documents so that it may be kept on your server and it remains safe on the cloud. So you can add new document, like a scan document can be uploaded from this screen. It is very important part, and to have all the documents from employee from the HR perspectives. Again, experience, you can add new experience, whatever experience your employee is gaining, so you can add here. And you can list all experience as well, so what experience any particular employee is having, just in case if you are revising the salary, or you are willing to know all things about a particular employee, all information shall be kept here. So now we have created the employees, and these are the employees, and we can add as much employee as we need, so it is not restricted anyhow. So it is employment status, employment type, qualification level, document type, so it is all setting is also here. So if you are willing to make any setting for employee screen, you can simply click on this settings tab, setting here, and you can enable some additional fields, like you can unique ID label, electoral card, or unique ID required information, or whatever you want to add more things. So employment status, you can add here contact permanent, employment type, qualification label, document type. You can add more and more fields here for getting the employee information. So you can add new document type as well. So you are the administrator, and you can define the system in the way that you want to work, and this system will work according to your configuration. So it is very important to configure the system very carefully, and so all options are available. I'm just showing the options. So these are options, like you can even generate the PDF of this screen, just in case if you want to export to Excel, you can have, like I'm simply generating the PDF of this screen, so it has been generated in a second, so it works very fine. It is really a very amazing system for HR management. Okay, so let us move to attendance. So employee we have created, and we have all the options as I shown you. We can create employees, we can put all employee information, all details, and we can even add fields wherever required. Now attendance is the next part of HR management system, and it is also very important because attendance is the key factor for generating the payroll and salary. So let us go to the attendance, and this is the status attendance making screen, and day wise report you can generate here. So like date of attendance, you can select August is going on, and you can select the August, and you can put the employee code here, select department. So mark attendance option is here. So list of attendance, mark production based attendance. So this is another option available. So like this is production based attendance, select employee. So if any employee is here, so it will be available here, and date of attendance and list attendance is also here. Again, I am going back to the attendance screen. Attendance type, we have multiple attendance type. So you can set the attendance type like absent, production based, deduction, hourly, half day, holiday, or present, late, and overtime, and all such options are here. Whatever is applicable for you, you can create. So I'm showing you attendance screen again. So yes, this is the attendance screen, and we can mark attendance as required. So this is a demo instance, this is why it is not showing data, and if you have filled the data, it will definitely show the required data. So you can mark attendance at your own, and I'll also show you the manager screen and the staff screen, so that will also clear more about this all system. So this is what options available. And okay, so attendance type I have already shown you. Similarly, leave screen is here. So leave request, you'll get all the leave request from your staff, and you can approve or disapprove the status, and you can list or whatever action you want to requested, rejected, or you can put comment, and you can do also things. So as an admin, you have all the rights. So leave allocations, so you can allocate the leave whatever applicable for you. Like you can add new leave allocation, select employee and date between, so what leave can be allocated to a particular employee level, and so how many casual leave or medical leave, maintenance leave, or sick leave. So you can decide the leave allocations from this screen. And again, leave type you can set like casual leave, maternity leave, medical leave, or sick leave. So you can add as many as type of leave you wish to add here. Again, we are here at dashboard. I have shown you leave type, and next is payroll. So again, this is also a very important factor. Salary template, you can create grade A salary, grades of salary, and you can use template for generating the salary. So basic salary, like if you are adding a new salary type, you can keep the name and aliases, description, basic salary, dearness allowances, and so these are the fields at the salary. You can activate, or you can even drag and drop the fields just in case if you want. So not applicable, you can keep on the flat rate, like overtime is not applicable, you can keep not applicable, bonus, attendance based. So you have to define all these fields, and you can create salary template. You are creating template, and you can use this template for further deciding the salary. And coming back to payroll, and we have decided the salary template, and now salary structure. So this is the salary structure screen. I am going to show you the screen. This is salary structure, and it has been already created. So this is the screen that is showing what is the salary structure for a particular employee level. And the pay heads, in which heads we can pay amount. So like additional amount like security deposit, provident fund, overtime, mobile allowances, and further you can add more heads if you need to create more pay heads. Next is finance section. This is an additional thing that is available in this HR management system. This is for controlling the basic finance. Like if you are using a HR system, you might be willing to have the finance in that particular system. This is why it has been given here. So for basic system, like you are handling some cash or some petty cash you are providing to your staff, you can use this system. So this is finance screen, and you can create ledger type, and you can have as many as ledger type you wish. So like bank account, bank description, basic informations are here, and we can list all ledger type, and we can also create our ledger type. Okay, good. So on the finance screen, next is ledger. So basically ledger is the main thing. So what is the finance status? So I'm not a HR person, in fact, this is why I cannot explain what does it means exactly, but yes, it is available in the system. Transactions, what transaction had been made, so you can add new transaction on the heads that you have created and select the ledger amount. So this is again I'm telling you, this is demo. This is why the drop downs data are not coming, but it will definitely come into your system once you get it live. Calendar, so calendar is definitely an important factor, because these calendars define the working days, and you can set the calendar for a complete year, or 1 year, 1 month, whatever, for 1 quarter. Or so this is name of calendar, and date between descriptions, so you can define. So multiple things are one time in a year or two, so it is very common for administrators. Now I'm showing you the users. So how many users of the systems, like staff level users, manager and admins can be here, and you can add as much as user you want. So users can be of different levels, so either admin, staff or basic users, so you have to decide also things. And utility, some utility like to do works, just in case if you are willing to add some to do works list, so you can add new to do, so that you may not forget anything, just in case if you are willing to have all these things, collect all the to do, so it is available. You can take backup of system. It is very important, because this is server based thing, and you need to keep the local backup as well. So just as in a single click you can take backups. So it is very advanced thing, and you can take a backup of system. Okay, so I will show you. This is backups, and it is generating on the regular basis, so you can delete these backup, and you can further restore these backups as well. So activity log is for just for system tracking what has been done. So what IP, through what IP it has been accessed, the system had been accessed, and who is the user, and when he or she access the system. And the configure screen I have already shown you. Now I am taking you to the another module, that is manager level login. So this is the screen for manager, and it also have certain permissions to handle the system. And suppose you are owner, and now your manager is working with the system, so what he or she actually can do. So department designation, branch is under his control, employee he can set. So under which manager how many employees are there, so you can even define. So if you are having 5 or 6 manager, and different sets of employees are working in particular manager level, so you can and it can be set here. So manager can decide the employee here. And so it is one system, you don't need to take another system, don't get confused. So it is all in one system. So it is just a login level difference. And again, so employee can be defined, attendance can be handled by the manager, as I shown you in the admin screen, leave for those particular staff members who are working under that manager. Salary template can be decided, finance, calendar, and for the user, manager can decide the users as well. So, and utility again is here for so here backup is not available because he's only a manager. Now I'll show you the simple but effective employee screen, that is also very important. And this is the staff screen. So it goes without saying, staff members are going to use the system on regular basis, and you are going to access all the reports. Once you set the system, only the staff or managers are working with the system. So this is the staff screen, and there are few options available for a staff, because a staff is single head and he's having only one access to his profile, like user qualifications. So what information has been kept for that staff, and attendance, again attendance is here. So okay, so attendance, employee code, and so all the credentials will be available here once the staff and staff parameters are set. So like a staff can see their payroll, what has been generated for him or her. So it is very important, because staff always wish to watch their payroll, how many days and they have worked and what are the salary calculation for. So this is the net salary, and further staff can print all list of salary and even create PDFs and all. So it is very simple. And so calendar and utility is again here. Holiday list staff can see, and utility is for is to do for all. So I have shown you three levels: admin, manager, and a staff level of this LiteHRM system, and it is a complete system as you've seen during this video. And I believe this is going to be a very simple and easy solution for handling the staff at your organization if you are running a very small organization. So it is very effective, and I'm sure you will be able to use this system, and if you need any support, we are here. So you can even try it free, so you don't need to buy it immediately. So it is all yours, and you can launch the demo, and as I shown, you can explore at your own as well. So I believe this is going to be helpful in maintaining your staff and manage your human resources. And in the next video I am coming with more solutions. Keep watching, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. This is not only about the softwares and technology. I am collecting much of information things on this channel, so you are really going to enjoy the videos on this channel, because they are from different sectors. Even health you can explore, and there are many things. Life hacks are available, lifestyle, health, and many other things are available. So let us meet in our another video. Till then, goodbye, keep working. Thank you.